Welcome to my channel compconnection. Before advancing towards, I have request to my lovely viewers. Please comment any type of problems regarding Word, Excel and PowerPoint in the comment box, and please subscribe to my channel. You can also visit my Facebook page compconnection and follow me on Instagram. The link is given in the description box. Today, we will discuss how to merge multiple documents in MS Word to avoid the conventional copy and paste method. This method applies to both Word 2010 and Word 2007. At first, we open a new document. Click on Insert button, select Object and click on Text from File. We have already created a folder in the desktop. This is our folder. It has 3 files. We want to compile these 3 files in a single document. Select the files to be merged. Press Ctrl to select more than one files. Now, look at the file name box. Documents will be merged in the order in which they appear in the file name box. In our case, file number 3 appears first, then file number 1, and at last file number 2. Practically, we want file number 1 appear first in our merged document, and then file number 2 and file number 3. Therefore, what to do? First select file number 3, then file number 2, and then file number 1. Now look at the file name box. The files are arranged according to our preference. Click on the Insert button. Our merged document is ready. We see the documents merged in the order in which they appear in the file name box. This compilation enhances the procedure, and thus this method is better than the copy and paste method. I hope it is beneficial for you. Thank you.